Hello and welcome. My name is Erin, and as you can tell by the title, this video will be about managing anxiety and panic during uncertain and uneasy times. When I sat down to complete this project, all I could think about was the novel coronavirus, or COVID-19. I know that I am not the only person who has been struggling with their mental health with everything that is happening surrounding this virus. Therefore, I decided that it only made sense to create a video that would help others who are also feeling anxious or panicky and give them a better idea of how to handle and manage their emotions. The learning objectives for this video are as follows. Learn how to identify symptoms of anxiety, discover how anxiety can trigger panic attacks, and determine how to handle acute anxiety and/or a panic attack as it is happening. Now, what exactly are symptoms of anxiety? Anxiety can take multiple forms and it looks different for everyone. This graphic includes some of the most common ones. Notice that panic attacks can be a symptom of anxiety as well. You might now be asking yourself, how can my anxiety lead to a full-blown panic attack? As we saw in the graphic on symptoms of anxiety, panic attacks can be symptoms of an underlying anxiety disorder. Often, general anxiety can build itself up into panic attacks, though. If you are constantly experiencing it, the emotional toll of anxiety builds up over time into full-blown panic, which is more physical. Now that you are more familiar with the symptoms of acute anxiety and panic attacks, as well as how they differ from one another, you're probably wondering, how do I get through a bout of anxiety or panic when I am literally having one right now? The most important thing to know is that you need to redirect your thoughts away from the situation in any manner you can. Some good ideas to do so include dunking your face in cold water, breathing through your diaphragm, playing a game on your cell phone, or squeezing a stress ball. Remember, this will not last forever and will pass in a matter of minutes. You have now learned how to identify symptoms of anxiety, discover how anxiety can trigger panic attacks, and determine how to handle acute anxiety and/or a panic attack as it is happening. Now that you have all of this information about how to better manage your mental health, the final question I would like to ask you is, what is one thing you can do for yourself after you finish watching this video that will make you feel less anxious?